Let's show you how to adjust a Hunter PGP rotor as far as getting the radius correct so that it sprays the right way. As you can see, this one's spraying all the way out here into the street. And for a Hunter rotor, you want to make sure that you're using the right as your hard stop. So the simple way to do it is to come over to the rotor and figure out where your right hand stop is. So it's all the way over there. So you can take a pair of channel locks like this and you want to adjust it. Just grab over here by this, not the top section here, just this section here. Grab it gently and twist it left a little bit. Take the top, turn it all the way to the left and back to the right. And we still don't have it yet. So let's adjust it just a little bit further to the left, back and to the right. And we're just about good. So we'll just hold it there. After that, in order to adjust the left-hand swing, we use the Hunter key. And if you can come over here a little bit close, you can see that here is the hole that you want to put it in right here. This one here. So just get that key in there until you feel it click and turn to the left in order to shorten the throw. Oh, we almost have that perfect. Okay, and then over here. Okay, so we did that now. We've shortened that up so it doesn't go into the street anymore. Just take this with the channel locks a little bit more and another twist to the left in order to adjust this right. And we're there as far as that right, and then there as far as the left. But now you can see it swinging out into the driveway over there. So now you just take the end of the tool with the little Allen wrench, stick it under the point over here with the arrow, and we're going to just turn it to the right, and you'll see that arc start to decrease, which there it goes. We may have decreased it a little bit too much, so we'll loosen up a little bit and see, there it goes, to the end of the, up. Yep, just over goes that driveway just a little tiny bit, so that should be good. After you're done adjusting a Hunter rotor, this is so important. You can see, just by playing around with this thing, the right went a little bit too far again. So let's, again, twist it, adjust it a little bit to the left, and then there we go. So we're good on the right at this point. So now with the Hunter rotor, it's important to just let it go by itself, because once you make that adjustment, doesn't mean that it's actually going to stop at that point. It could click a little bit past. So we're going to watch this rotor just for a minute and see where it stops over here to the left. And if it goes too far over, what we'll do is we'll just use our key again and make the adjustment. Most of the videos you see on YouTube are going to show you how to adjust it without the water running. We don't like to do that. The water needs to be running so you get the correct adjustment. Let's see where this goes. So way too far into the street, but you heard the click. So let's just adjust it back just a little tiny bit. Again, just a small little turn. And then in order to help ourselves out over here, in order to increase or speed up the process, we can turn it a little bit to the left and see where it stops. And here we go. Does it stop in the right spots? And it does. So I'm very comfortable with that based on the spray pattern. There, we're not spraying into the street, and it also goes the right way over here. That's how to adjust a Hunter PGP rotor. This is Brian with My Irrigation Guy. Have a great day.